What is Java? By definition, Java is a popular general-purpose platform, independent and object-oriented programming language. Java is popular. In every different list of favorite programming languages, Java is among the top 5 or top 10. We will talk about Java popularity in our next videos. Java is a general-purpose programming language. General purpose means that Java can be used to create many different types of programs and solve a wide variety of problems, unlike specialized languages that are designed for specific tasks. Let me give you some concrete examples. With Java, you can build desktop applications like text editors or media players, web applications like online shopping sites, mobile applications, specifically Android apps, games, data analysis tools, enterprise software systems. This is in contrast to specialized programming languages like SQL that is used specifically for database operations and MATLAB that is focused on mathematical and scientific computing. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife versus a specialized tool. A Swiss Army knife, like Java, can handle many different tasks reasonably well, while a specialized tool like SQL is designed to excel at one specific type of task. Java is platform independent. Let's assume that you are a C++ developer. When you write a program in C++, your program only works on one specific type of computer. You need to rewrite or modify the code for each different system. But in Java, you can write Java code once. Then the Java compiler converts it into something called bytecode or a .class file. And then the Java Virtual Machine or JVM acts as your translator on each device. Java is an object-oriented programming language. What does that mean? Imagine you have a box of Lego bricks. Each brick is like a tiny object, right? It has its own shape, color, and maybe even some special features. In object-oriented programming, or OOP for short, we use computers to build things with code, just like Lego bricks. We create objects that represent real-world things like cars, dogs, or even people. This is how object-oriented programming works in Java. We create objects with properties and behaviors, and then we can use those objects to build complex programs, just like building a cool Lego creation. Learning a new programming language can be challenging, and it takes time and effort. I'm curious about what made you choose Java as your programming language. What do you like most about Java? Write in the comments down below and subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when a new video is released. In this comprehensive tutorial, I will cover all Java topics that you need to know before starting your career as a Java developer. I will start with core Java. Then in part 2, I will cover Java object-oriented programming concepts. And in part 3, I will continue with data structures and collections in Java. After that, I will guide you through functional programming in Java and then continue with Java streams. I will also cover the essential tools you need to know as Java developers, such as Git, build tools, and testing tools. Finally, I will cover working with databases and writing concurrent Java programs. And always remember this quote of Dennis Ritchie, creator of Unix and C programming language. The only way to learn a new programming language is by writing programs in it. What projects are you planning to build with Java? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.